Where's my storage?
Hello world, and welcome back. Cause
Where's the storage?
the Subway Surfers are back. You wanna know where they're back at? They're back in Arabia.
Carpet.
All you
Why
have
do you
to
have to
do
go
is
back
get
here?
Jasmine a new outfit. I was trying to kill me. Good day for you. Maybe I'll do, but first when she comes. Maybe I'll do it when she comes back from our city.
Let me just go here. Let me go.
Oh no, upstairs. Relax. Hey, welcome to Arabia. Okay, yeah. Oh, let's say there's 4. We have to get 20, 25 again, and then 10. Okay, let's get Jasmine her new outfit. Character, there's 2 stuff. So I don't really care about it.
Oh no, I just
Somewhere
deleted
here.
My bad.
Ah, Jasmine! New outfit. We are going to unlock the jewel outfit, 30 keys. Let's do it. You unlock jewel outfit. That's how I like it. Bam. Just bam. And let's check our new board.
No board.
Where's the board? That's it? Oh, it's just the old Dusty. It's the old Dusty.
I missed the dust.
Oh, I forgot to select it. Now, let's take out the jewel outfit on a test run.
We already had the jewel. Oh, I thought we were talking about jewel board. Oh!
Okay, so far, so good, Mira. They should have done a challenge. Tail. Tail.
Hi guys, you remember me? This is my cool brother. Because
We are surfing. This is actually my first time playing in Arabia.
This is my.
All I did was a time traveling glitch. So
This is my brother. This is my best brother the whole life.
So this is actually my first time playing Subway Surfers. I mean, in Arabia.
Guys, say hello to my coolest brother, that one I love so much. He's the only one I have. So give it up for DD.
Yeah, we can do all that.
Where's Jasmine?
The weird thing is that it's a magic carpet. Yeah. It makes that sound that a hoverboard makes. Two outfit. Yeah, actually, this is the second time coming to Arabia. Yeah, like Okay.
Where's the board?
So, dude, you already have the board. It's old Dusty.
What is he? One board?
No. That old Dusty. Oh, here it is. Sorry, I was telling my brother. Let's slip down. Let's go down here.
What do we have to do on
This is my
Thursday?
You can go out there if you want. I'm just taking a test run with Amira's new outfit. And then I'll be back. I'll make another video and it's like at least. Dude, go update the app for you. Go update the app for you. Nice and done, yeah. I didn't even get a single lamp. I didn't even see a single lamp.
This makes me think about Joe. Looks like a Joe. Looks like a Joe.
Oh no, we ain't getting that. We are finally back in Arabia. Yeah,
Mia's calling us.
Come on.
Are we going?
Hey, we'll give us a minute. That's in that mirror. We shall we that time ago.
Mia, there's a new character.
Double up.
Who? Amira.
Now you can double up
Amira?
even if it's odd.
Let me get Amira. I already did. Oh, thank you.
And you already had a mirror since like that's not standard. Okay, I'm coming. Give me a minute. Double up. Double that. Yeah, goodbye.